It's your sad day at this tweet. How are the NRM members treating you?
Very friendly. Many of them have simply been hearing about me. They know my record. They know I mean well for the NRM. They know I mean well for the government of Uganda. They know I mean well for Uganda as a country. I've made lots of new friends. I've met people who, against all odds, were able to win the elections. And I've spent a lot of time congratulating those who have won. I've also listened to some of those who were asking very brilliant questions, sharing their journey to Parliament. The atmosphere is extremely cordial, and I'm encouraging them to act like people who know who they are. They must respect themselves. They must not allow themselves to be intimidated. They must not allow themselves to be manipulated. They must not allow themselves to be bribed. After all, we have 5 years together in the Parliament. These 5 years